I'm Adam, I'm in mechanical engineering.
I'm Liam, I'm also in mechanical.
I'm Colin, I'm also in mechanical.
I'm Tyler, and I'm also in mechanical.
Pretty good, you know, we spent a lot of time on that, and it's kind of nice to see it pay off so well. Yeah, pretty tired, but other than that, it was a pretty good experience.
Yeah, after a long night, to get named as the winners was pretty special, and I'm still a little hyped.
Yeah, I'd like to say I'm very proud of this team. And yeah, I can't wait to go home and get some sleep. I'm pretty excited for that.
Pretty exhausted. We were up till like 7 last night, which sucked, and then we slept like 3 hours, but got a lot of energy back after seeing our names. It was pretty fun.
Yeah. So yeah, we chose the design where we had to make a solar car charging station. So it took some solar power and then it charged cars with it. We had to make the structure for it and design a mechanism to clear off snow, as well as we added a sprinkler mechanism, and you know, there was a lot of engineering that went into it, I guess.
I thought the whole experience of sitting down and having just a team that you're going to work with for the next 24 hours was pretty cool. I've never, sat down on a project and just said, okay, I'm doing this for a long period of time and going until I complete it. And so that was a new experience, but it was also very insightful and a lot to learn from it, because you learn more about the design process and how to use your time effectively to create a solution.
I would say it's pretty cool trying to learn and see what you can do in 24 hours. That's the great part about this challenge, is it's the 24-hour time span to finish everything is pretty cool. Yeah, I thought everything was fun. The food, the activities they had going on was pretty neat. Yeah.
It was pretty fun to see how much stuff was going on. Like even if you weren't participating in the other smaller events like the Smash Bros tournament, like there's other people doing things, and it was kind of interesting to see that was going on all throughout the night too, which is pretty cool.
And like, I just want to add, the tacos were like really good. So well done, guys. I really enjoyed the tacos.
I think so. We gotta
we have to.
Yeah, we got to defend our title.
Awesome, thank you.